So you want to become a plumbing apprentice today? In this video, that's what we're going to talk about, and we're going to talk about it right now. I'm Roger Wakefield, Lead AP, the Expert Plumber. I've been plumbing over 38 years, and I have every master endorsement in the state of Texas. On this channel, I'm teaching you everything you need to know about plumbing. If you haven't been here before, please subscribe so you don't miss anything. So there's different ways you can go about becoming a plumbing apprentice. First, you've got to make some decisions. So I recommend that you do some research. Do you want to work in the union or do you want to work open shop? There's different benefits to each one. The union, you're going to have to go to school at night to learn things from plumbing instructors. The good thing about that is I think you're probably going to get a little bit better of an education. Nothing against just learning from a plumber, but if you learn over a 5-year period from the same plumber, all you're going to learn is what he knows. If you put yourself in a situation where you're either around other plumbers or you're going to school and learning from instructors that have been trained to teach you plumbing, that may be another benefit that will help you with your education. Now, a little tip here. One thing that I recommend to everybody, go buy the 2018 UPC study guide. I'll leave a link in the description down below to get to the UPC study guide, but also we've got other videos that talk about becoming an apprentice and how to do it. If you're already an apprentice, please let us know in the comments, are you union or open shop? Are you doing new construction or service? And are you doing residential or are you doing commercial? People want to wait until they take their exam to start learning plumbing, to start studying for the test. My idea is, look, learn it in the beginning. Learn in the very beginning. That way, as you're learning in the field, you understand things a whole lot better. So first of all, like I said, union or non-union. Now you have to decide, do you want to do new construction or do you want to do service work? Do you want to build buildings or do you want to go out and fix a problem that's wrong with them? Now, it may be in the building, it may be outside, but also new buildings, you're going to run the sewer outside. So new construction or service, that's got to be your decision. Me, I've done all of it. So I can give you the benefits of each. The new construction, you're going to go to the same job site every day. You're going to build something. You're going to get to watch it grow from the ground up. Service, you get to go in and analyze and find people's problems and do what you can to get them taken care of. We start there, union, non-union. Service, new construction. The next one is residential or commercial. Do you want to work on homes or do you want to build a big building? Now, you can do service or new construction in either way. So it really doesn't matter which one you're working on. You just got to pinpoint what area you want to be. If you are thinking about becoming a plumber and you're pretty serious about it, start doing your research right now. Get serious about it. We need plumbers in the trade. To be honest, we need electricians, we need framers, we need HVAC people. There's a lot of people we need in the trades, but I tell you what, plumbing is a wonderful career. And if you ever want to grow up and eventually own your own company, guys, plumbing is a good way to do it. Get the study guide, learn to use it. Show up on time every day. Make it a big deal to show up and be the best person that you can be. Have a great attitude. Love what you do. I tell you what, I don't know if you can tell, but I still love plumbing, and I've been doing this 38 years. Another thing, respect the people that are taking the time to try to teach you. Whether it's an instructor, whether it's a plumber you're working with, whether it's just another apprentice on the job that maybe knows a little bit more than you, have the respect and show it to them and appreciate what they're doing. And the other one, be a professional. Dress and act like a professional. You know, plumbers don't have that butt crack mentality. Most plumbers really take pride in what they do. They want to do it well and they want to do it right. And if you're going to be good at it, remember, you're competing against people like me every day. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave us a comment down below. Tell us what you think about it. Give us a thumbs up. And if you hadn't done it yet, subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss out on anything. And I'll see you on the next video if you don't get flushed.